today's video, I am going to make pizza bread or mini pizza. Actually, the sauce that I use, guys, is from the farm, from the tomatoes that we have at the farm. Tapos ginawa namin parang ketchup or magiging ano na din, pizza sauce. Okay. Tapos we can add cheese, okay, on top. If you want your pizza to be more cheesy, so you can add more cheese. Ready for baking. We're going to bake this one sa oven with 180 degrees and in 5 minutes. Kasi I still have more here, so I can add another one. Okay, so first is it. This is our cheesy pizza bread ready for baking. Guys, ready na to bake. So, okay, oven. This is oven. Double press. 180. 180 tapos 5 minutes. 3, 4, 5. And enter. Okay, yan. Let's wait for 5 minutes. 8, 7, 6, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tingnan natin if the cheese is melting already. Ayan. So, I think not yet so melted. So, we can add more minutes. At least siguro mga 2 minuto. 1, 2, and then enter. Yeah, it's baking again until the cheese will be melted. So our pizza bread or mini pizza, it's done.